Many security companies close in the first 2-3 years. Why does this happen? In this video we will discuss 5 critical mistakes that stop businesses from growing. You will also learn how to avoid these mistakes and grow a profitable security systems business. Mistake number 1. No focus on sales. The sales are the heart of every business. Without sales, there no revenue. Without revenue, the business will die. In the security industry, many salespeople are actually engineers and technicians, you may agree with me, and they focus more on their technical skills than on learning how to sell. So my advice is correct this. Hire professional sales managers and train your team. Send them to sales courses or some workshops. Use sales scripts. This helps your team know exactly what to say to clients, and use the CRM system to track all leads and follow up quickly. For example, when client asks them about security system, your salesperson should not only suggest a solution, security solution, but also explain why your security systems company is better than your competitors. Sales are the science, so treat them seriously. Mistake number 2. Weak marketing and client attraction. Marketing brings new clients to your business. Without marketing, even the best sales team will have no one to sell to. So many companies rely only on word of mouth. While this works, it limits growth. So, digital marketing tips. Create a professional website and optimize it to local searches. Use Google My Business. Update your profile and ask your clients about reviews. Post your projects online. Show completed installations and share tips for choosing security systems. And with social media tips, if your business is B2B, focus on LinkedIn. Post helpful content for decision makers, like videos of your projects or expert advices, like I'm doing now. And good content builds trust and makes people share your posts. Marketing is not expense, it is investment in your future clients. Mistake number 3. Poor team management. Your team represents your company. If your employees make mistakes, your clients will not trust your business. So the problem what I see, technicians often interact directly with clients and they must know how to represent your brand well. When your business grows, poor processes can lead to missed deadlines and unhappy clients. So the solution what I see is write clear processes, share them with your team. Train your technicians to communicate professionally with clients. Use tools like CRM to track tasks and manage projects. Keep good employees by creating a positive work environment. Your team is a backbone of your business. Without strong management, your business cannot grow. So mistake number 4, it's ignoring new modern trend technologies. Technology change quickly. If you don't offer modern security solutions, your clients may choose your competitors. So examples of some trends in 2024, 2025, it's in security, it's cloud solutions, manage security systems and store data in the cloud. Active deterrence systems, cameras can scare away threats before they happen. So integrated systems, combine video surveillance, alarms and access control systems in one app. One more trend what we see, it's AI and smart notifications. So reduce false alarms and make systems easier to manage. And so what to do? It's like you can attend security shows, exhibitions, and or watch even our product reviews. Like on our channel Pipl Systems. So you will know about new technologies, you will know about new trends, and offer to your clients modern, easy to use systems. Explain the benefits of new technologies, even if your solution is not the cheapest. And honestly, it's not my advice to give your clients the most cheapest products. It's better to put his attention that you have in your offer the most technologic solution. Okay, the last mistake number 5. No market research or networking. If you don't analyze your competitors, you will not know how to improve your business. The problem is what I see on the market. So your competitors may use better marketing tools or offer some unique security services. And then you may miss opportunities to grow your business in this way because your potential clients will choose your competitors. So that's why my advice: research your competitors, find out what works for them and adapt it to your business. Again, attend industry events, meet other professionals and exchange ideas. So train your team to improve their skills in sales, marketing and technical knowledge. Networking and research are not costs, they are investments in your business future success. So in the conclusion, these 5 mistakes: poor sales, weak marketing, bad management, ignoring new technologies, and no market research are common but avoidable. So fixing these mistakes can help your security systems business grow and succeed. Don't forget to subscribe our People Systems YouTube channel for more tips about business, about security business. You can also find this video as an article on our website pipl.systems. Link will be in description. Bye. Have a good day.